Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. Happy birthday, Carson. You know who you are. I'm Jeremy Crosby, ready to work your headlines. That's my son. And we're working the headlines here for you today. And we're going to start here with the Business Luncheon. Yes, it is back. The 2023 Fitchburg Business Appreciation Luncheon has been scheduled. Get this on your calendar. This is going to be happening on October 31st. And it's going to be from 11 to 1:15 p.m. Where? At our friends at Promega at the Kornberg Center, 5430 East Sherrill Parkway. Join us as we celebrate the 40-year anniversary of Fitchburg and share some great information on the business community and more. We're going to be happy to have you there. Special guest as well will be coming in. Registration fee is $30. Must be paid by credit card. You can register for one person or more. And if you'd like, you need to contact Joyce Fry at 608-270-4246 with any questions. And you need to be registered, and that means RSVP by October 24th if you want to partake in this. We'll be recording this, and I'll bring that back to you here on Fact TV afterwards. But you want to get yourself signed up if you want to come out to the annual Business Appreciation Luncheon. Switching our attention over to the Fitchburg Public Library for some fun crafts. It's called CRAFT-ernoon. Yeah, it's in the name. It's in the afternoon. Drop in at the library Friday afternoon for some crafting fun. We supply the materials. You bring materials. I don't know what I said there. But you bring the activity and creativity. Ages 5 to 12. That doesn't include me. 4 to 5 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. Fitchburg Fire Department open house will be happening this Saturday at Fire Station number 1. It'll be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. At the Fire Station number 1. That's located at 5791 Lacey Road here in Fitchburg. Live demos include car extrication starting at 11 a.m. and fire extinguisher training at 1 p.m. Of course, we'll have the displays there of the fire trucks or apparatus, however you want to say it. And you can ask questions to the fire department, EMS and police department. I'll be on hand there. Check it out. Turning our attention to CPR refresher course, it's back, and this is going to be at the Fitchburg Senior Center. It's filled up really fast last time, so I want to make sure you get involved here. The Senior Center and Fitchburg EMS are joining forces to provide a valuable opportunity to learn or refresh your CPR basics. While not a certification course, this is a refresher course aimed to equip you with familiarity in the case of an emergency. The program is free of charge and will take place on Thursday, October 19th at 1 p.m. in the upper level of the Senior Center. Register now to secure your spot, as space is limited. So act swiftly to enhance your life-saving skills. Very creative writing there from the Fitchburg Senior Center. Finally, turning our attention to the Wisconsin Department of Transportation and the State Patrol, which brings you Pedestrian Safety Month that highlights the crash risks for non-drivers. The Wisconsin Department of Transportation calls on drivers and pedestrians to share the road and stay aware of your surroundings to protect all travelers this fall. Yes, we want to be safe out there. October is Pedestrian Safety Month, and to help drivers recognize the pedestrians as you're out there and prevent from being part of a crash that could injure those folks, drivers must be extra cautious of pedestrian safety this time of year. When daylight savings time ends on November 5th, drivers will spend more time traveling in the dark when pedestrians are difficult to see. Always keep a close eye on the road. There will likely be pedestrians out on the days leading up to Halloween when families are trick-or-treating, often at dusk and or at night. Children can unexpectedly run out in front of the streets, and you want to make sure that you're being cautious as you are driving around. Wisconsin DOT's awareness campaign includes Control Your Drive, Buckle Up, Phones Down, and Drive Sober or Get Pulled Over, which run throughout the year to remind drivers that their most important task behind the wheel is to drive safely. Wisconsin DOT asks drivers to consider the following recommendations. Put that phone down and avoid distractions. Obey all posted sign and speed limits when driving. Do not block crosswalks when approaching intersection, and always drive sober. If you want more information on safety checks, check out DOT's website for more information, and have a great day.